All right, back in the shop at the Murder Co. Got some stuff from McFarland today, so let's see if we got going on here. Pretty sure this is the control cable that I either didn't have or I used on the last Cub. So, unfortunately, from Univer, this is like an $800 part, I think, maybe a little bit more. Univer or McFarland. Okay, this is the gascolator. This is Steve's gascolator. This is an STC. This is good stuff. It's eligible on pretty much every Piper, Cub, J3, PA22. Full aluminum machine body. It's got a clean element inside of it you can clean. Really easy to get undone. It's got an O-ring, seals up, so it's not like the glass or any spring pressure from the bottom. I didn't have a gascolator for this, or if I did, it was trash. So Steve's gascolator, there it is. I think this is a bracket. I think it's made for a Cessna 120. But I think it's pretty much the same exact specs and size as the Piper one. If it's not, I'm going to use it for measurements, and we'll use that to mount this guy up in there. Okay, so gascolator, SEC paperwork, work through that. Alright, and something that McFarland is awesome about is producing push-pull cables or any sort of cable that you might need for your project. So this is actually the Piper style, goes to the throttle quadrant on the left side, hooks up to that, and it's kind of machined fork up there. So this is good stuff, and it's about a third the cost of what you're going to pay for the stuff from Univer. And then McFarland, they'll build any cable that you have. If you send it to them, they'll rebuild it. So anything special. I had a Turbo 310. I had almost impossible to find replacement cables for it for a Riley rocket converted plane. You can send those off to them. They'll make them exactly the same measurement and kind of rebuild it right around it. So that's good stuff there. There's an update on the Murder Cub. We'll get this product going and installed. I still need to drill the holes in the firewall. Plan on probably doing that maybe this next week.